everyone, welcome back to RTS and welcome back to Record December. We are getting in on the very end of this month. It's hard to believe. I mean, time just flies. Honestly, it does. I mean, it's hard to believe we're working on the last page of this 4-page project. If you decided to do 4, some people decided to do 2, and some people decided to do 6. How awesome is that? Okay, so you totally make this Record December to fit your style and also to fit what's going on in your month. So we're going to work on page 4, but that doesn't mean we're going to be done, because we're going to have another video next week, and I'll talk about that in just a minute. So this will not be a very long video. Why? Because we're going to rinse and repeat. We're absolutely going to do what we have been doing. We are simply going to take our photos, and we are going, for me, I'm going to mat them. Okay, and then I'm going to just probably lay out, I have 7 on my left. I may try to get 8 on my right. Oh, that's my plan, because I think I'm going to have 8 photos, okay? And so I'm simply going to then carry forth the same embellishments I had on my left. Remember, I had said that I had cut some. When I did this page, I went ahead and did a little extra because, you know, this week we're short on time because the festivities are still happening. And so I will just grab this chunk of extras I did last week, and I'm just going to play. And so for my photos, I wanted to say a couple things. Now, this video will be coming up on Saturday on the 29th, and that means we're still not done with the month. We still have a few more days. So you have to anticipate, if you want to finish this project, you need to anticipate what you may be coming up in a couple days. For some people, the end of the year is, they don't really do a lot. For some people, they do a lot of festivities. So I know that I'm going to have to keep 2 photos. I have to keep 2 mats, and I have to keep 2 spots for something that's going to be happening, and it is a family gathering, and then also to New Year's Eve. And so I know they're going to be horizontal shots because there'll be people. So right there is already 2 of my photos, and so I'm going to try to pick 6 from the rest of this. Okay, that's my plan. Okay, now how much do we want to take a bet or a gander? How many of these will be vertical shots? Okay, of the ones I took and snapped, and you know, I snapped and I printed. So let's see. Okay, vertical. Vertical. Yes. Yes. Oh my. Of course. Without a doubt. So everything I took, you know, everything I printed this week were all vertical except for 1. Okay. And so then I have to say, well, I'm only going to have probably a spot for 2 horizontal. 1 has to go away. And if it has to do with scrapbooking, those are always the photos that make the cut first, because I will scrap them some other time. Okay. And so yes, I need to pick 6. And so what do I have this week for Recording December? Well, I have my little snow bunny in a new Christmas coat she got, our Christmas ham. Pies. Yes, I was baking pies one day, and I got a new photo printer for Christmas. Yes, I'll be talking about that. And I snapped some more photos of the Christmas tree, which of course did not turn out very well, but you just wing it and you go with it. And then of course we played Rummy one evening and gifts. So that is the plan. I'm going to just pick probably 6 or 7 of those photos, along with 2 I need to keep in the back of my mind. Okay. Now, this was a busy week. If you did not have enough photos, because honestly I didn't snap as many photos this week as I did in the previous weeks, remember to go back to your leftover envelope or your leftover pile of photos and just pull from them, because it's all about recording December. It's not about recording this week, unless you're taking that approach. Okay, so I am simply going to sit here and play. I'm going to put on a video, have a little bit of scrappy time, and absolutely just enjoy putting this together and knowing that I'm wrapping up this month. How exciting is that? Okay, now with that being said, I will come back, and when I have this layout done, for me, I will not have this project done, and I'll talk more about that. So just hang on. We have a little bit more coming up. Okay, I am back with my finished page, and so talk about quick, fun. This was it. Yes, because all I simply did was take my 6 photos that I had in hand, along with the 2 photos that I have in mind for events coming up, and I just simply adhered them to my base page. That's all I simply did, and it just looks beautiful. For something that's very simple, it looks very pretty. And then again, I used my cut aparts for a subtitle of Glad Tidings, added a couple pearls, and again down here I followed through with the same motifs I've been using for all 4 pages, which is the deer, the poinsettias, and the branches, and and the pearls, and again, the cut aparts for subtitles, embellishments. You can do so much with those cut aparts. And then, of course, to top it off, I took my frosted lace stickles and I put it in the centers of my poinsettias. And sometimes with stickles, when they dry, you don't get as much as you want. So sometimes I'll do a second coating. It just takes time for them to dry. And so that is how simple my page is. Now, if you wanted to add journaling, up here would be a perfect place for that. Or you simply can skip a photo and put journaling in one of these mats. Don't always forget that option. You can always skip a photo and put your journaling in here or here and here, any place you want to do it. Okay, so that is the right page. And then I have the left page here. Okay, so that is the 2 pages for that. Okay, probably can't get all of that in frame, but I'll have some photos at the end. And then, of course, you know, we had this page here for the left and the right. That's week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. I mean, that is basically my whole month. I'm not completely done, but then the month isn't done yet, so we still have a little bit of things to finish up with, but it's not going to take very long. Absolutely love how fast and quick this came together by just simply doing it in bite-sized chunks. And honestly, that works with any scrapbooking project you have. It seems daunting to start something at first, but if you just do it in certain chunks and then plan that work, it goes much quicker. Okay, so now some people may be asking, since I'm done with my 4 pages, where is my journaling going to go? And with that, I say, come back to next week, because we have one more week in our Record December series, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to be handling my journaling for this project and a little bit of something fun. And also, if you want to do something with your leftover photos, I will show an option for that too, because of course, you know, for each week I did have leftover photos, and so I've just been simply keeping them in an envelope. But if you don't have keeping them in an envelope, take a minute and definitely write on the back December 2018, and then when you go to use them in the future, you won't have to look up when those photos were. So take that few minutes. I just put them in an envelope till I'm done with the project, and then I'll sit down and put the dates on each one of my photos. I put the date on the back. Okay, so I will do that. And of course, I still have my envelope of my photo that I can't show on film, but I'm definitely going to be adding that at the end. And so I want to say, that is our 4 pages. That is Recording December. And if that's all you wanted to do and be done with it, that is all you need to do. But I want to say, if you were playing with a paper pad or a collection of papers, don't put them away just yet. I'm going to show one more thing next week as a little bit of a bonus, how I'm going to finish my Record December, and maybe you would want to do that as well. So that is all I have for today. I want to say Happy New Year's and have a wonderful New Year's Eve and a celebration into the new year. Can you believe that? Yes. And absolutely, I can honestly say we had a very merry 2018. Yes, absolutely. And so come back to next week. We'll have another little bonus video, something a little bit extra, a little bit more playing and recording December. So that is all I have for today. Come back to RTS because you never know what we're going to learn. Bye.